In this video, I want to show you how to use the average function in Excel. So traditionally, you can come and click on the cell where you want to put your average number. You click the function icon, and then it will pop up this window, and you click the average and say OK. So once you say OK, Excel is going to ask you the cells that you want to find average for. Then you just come here and highlight all the cells that you want Excel to calculate the average for you. And then once you are done highlighting those area or those cells, you click OK. Then Excel will calculate the average. Alternatively, you can use the equal sign. You say equal and you say equals and type average. Once you type av, it will suggest for you here is the function for average, which is on the second. Then you just double click that average, then it will call the function, open the parenthesis, and then you highlight the numbers that you want to do an average for, and then press enter or tab. Instead of closing the bracket, Excel will actually close the bracket for you. That's it. Another quick way to do your average, you just click on the cell where you want your average to be. You come on your ribbon under editing, there is this icon here. You click on the drop down that we have there and click average. Then Excel will automatically highlight the cells that you want to have an average for, and then you just confirm with an enter or the tab. Then it calculates the average for you. Very simple like that. And then instead of you having to put the formulas on all the information down here, you just come on the number or the formula that you have already entered and come to the bottom right of the cell until this plus sign has appeared, and then you click and hold, you drag the formula, then it will calculate for all the other cells, and then that's it. But if you have a lot of information again and you just wanna do it once without dragging the formulas, there is another way also that you can use to calculate your average. So in this case, we want the average for all these numbers. So what you are going to do is just to highlight all these numbers. Once you highlight all these numbers, you also highlight the area where you want the average to appear. Then once you're done highlighting all these area, you come here on your ribbon again, on this icon, the drop down, you click on average. Once Excel will automatically calculate the average for you. So you see we have our average calculated, and that's it. Very easy and just one click. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to make any other video on any other topic regarding Excel, let me know on the comment section and I will do that video. Thank you. Bye.